You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are going to test a gel. I have been wanting to try this gel for a while, and finally yesterday I went and got this gel. Now I am in my favorite beauty supply store, well, one of my favorite beauty supply stores, and I am picking up a gel that will hopefully work on my natural hair. If it works on my natural hair, then I know it will work on my texturizer when it's time for me to put my texturizer in. Also, because I only apply my texturizer twice a year, every 6 months, this gel that I picked today will allow me to still style my hair and have it to look good between touch-ups. Now, let me tell you what my hair is. I don't have any texturizer on my hair. My hair is completely 100% natural, and the texture of my hair is 4C. Okay, I have 4C hair. So I am looking for a gel that's going to be able to hold my hair down, curl my hair up, not leave a crunch or flakes, not dry my hair out, and try to, calm down on the shrinkage. My hair, once I curl my hair gets really, really tight. The curls separate and looks really bad. I put this gel on yesterday and I went outside because that's how much confidence it gave me. That's number one. Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and I am outside at the store. Do you see my hair? You see my hair? Right now, I am testing a gel for you all. I don't know how my hair is going to turn out. I really don't. A lot of times my hair will ball up really, really tight when I'm testing a gel and look really, really unattractive. The gel that we are going to talk about today is Extreme. Okay? We're going to talk about Extreme today. The gel was $3.99. It's $3.99. It says it has a real extreme control hold for 24 hours. It doesn't have any alcohol in it, so it's alcohol free, okay? The consistency of the gel, when you open it up, it looks like this. And the texture of it is this. This is the next day. I can tell you when I put it on my hair yesterday, I liked it. Now, I put it on my edge here because I want you to see that while it's on my edge, it does have a tendency to look blue. I guess you have to rub that in, but that's one of the things that it will do. But it will go away, but initially it does hold its color. All right, the other thing I liked about it is that it gives you a pretty curl. This is the curl that it left on my hair. I like it. That's the curl it left on my hair. So this is the curl that it left on my hair. I hope you all can see that. Okay. This is the next day. One of the things I was able to do was wet my hair with a little water to wake up the product, and I got to curling my hair. The one thing I don't like about the gel is the fact that if you put it on and just try to work it in your hair like this, that is not going to go. This, to me, this gel is not going to, you put it on, it is not going to curl up your hair like the gels that I have shown you in the past, like the Echo. It's not going to do that. So it didn't do it for mine, put it to you like that. So if you're thinking about using this gel, you're going to have to take the gel, apply it to your hair, and individually finger coil it for it to work. Like I said, my hair is natural, and the texture is 4C. The texture is 4C. Now, I'm trying to find a gel for a couple of reasons. I want a gel that's going to hold my hair down. I want a gel that's going to curl up my natural hair, because if I texturize my hair, I know it's going to curl up the texturized hair. But between touching up my hair, between texturizers, I want something that will allow me to go 6 months apart. So that's why I'm looking for a gel to see how it's going to work on my natural hair if I decide to put my texturizer back in. So this is nothing but water. This is what the hair looks like. So let's lift it. Okay, y'all, we finna lift it. What y'all think about that lift? I have a couple of ways that I want to go with my hair. I may just keep my hair natural and get a nice cut. And I need to see what gel will work for that. That looks pretty good, don't it? Can y'all see that? That looks pretty good. So I'm just looking at my options of what I can do. If I decide to do just a nice haircut, then this gel, as you see here, will lift up my hair and it'll look cute, depending on what haircut I get. As far as holding my sides down, it did not hold my sides down. My sides receded back. So I would have to use like a different gel, you know, to keep my sides down. If you want my opinion on this gel, would I buy it again? Yes. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 9.5. I like it. It did not make my hair crunchy, but that may be because of my routine that I have on here. You cannot just put it in. For my hair, I could not just put it in and work it in and hope it curled up. I had to finger curl my hair. But this morning when I got up and I sprayed my hair with water, I was able to wake up the product and recoil my hair. And I believe I can go at least 3 days just doing that, waking it up with water. So yes, it did slick my hair down when I tried to slick my hair down. So that is about it. I do like the gel. I will buy it again. I really don't have any, nothing bad to say about it except when you initially put it on, especially around the hairline, it is blue, and that it did not hold my sides down. So I would have to, get a different gel to hold my sides down. And for my hair, when I tried to just put it in my hair and work it in, it did not curl up. I had to actually do finger curls. So if you don't mind, having to do finger curls with it, then you good to go. Now, this may not happen with your hair. So I'm just telling you, giving you my honest review about this gel. And it is extreme. It really don't have a smell to it. And the smell that it does have to it is not bad. So y'all, that is about it. That is about it. I like the gel. So yes, I will be buying it again. And it is extreme. And this is the way my hair looks with it. See, if I can give you a little bit more light. And this is the way my curls look. My curls are dry, and this is the next day after me waking it up with water and lifting it up. My curls are soft. They're not hard. They're not flaking. Even when I go to lift my curls up, they are not flaking or anything. I like it. I like it. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know about this gel or anything else. And you already know I'm going to answer you back, right? Because I do appreciate you guys. I want to thank you for watching, sharing your comments, and all of that. Also, do me a favor. I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do everything else from decor, walk the weight off, shopping, finding sales. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So go over there and show your girl some love and comment, like, subscribe, and share to that channel as well. So guys, I will continue to look for these products for you all to get the best results for our hair. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.